VSAT stock analysis and VSAT stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Especially looking at Viasat with a 10.5% increase in price, I actually quite like it because what I saw beforehand is exactly what has happened. I mean, let's rework that. What I wanted to see is what actually has happened, and this was made 2 weeks ago. So I was waiting for this double break to take place. It sort of went down a bit and then sort of gave me the first break delivered. Bias wise, I was so on point, but I never took no trades there because the rules never got met exactly. So what I'm looking at is just like such a bullish market here. So I'm just going to mark up this stop. This is very good. Well, unless this is solid, but yeah, what I'm not going to do is just start buying randomly. So if it does sort of give me the confirmation, then yeah, sure. But currently not really. And obviously it's Friday, you know, it's end of week report. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free mail. I'll see you in the next one.